Welcome to Crown Royal Stoves, the most trusted outdoor boiler. Why choose a Crown Royal stove? It's simple. Our products are designed, engineered, manufactured, and assembled right here in International Falls, Minnesota, USA, supporting a local economy and committed to American workers.
The reason why I'm most proud of Crown Royal stoves is how we source the domestic material, how we source the domestic workers, how we make everything in-house, including the cladding, the corners, the doors. Everything is built under one roof, where we can control the quality. We're not bringing in processed parts or processed material from someone else, and we're not just assemblers. We're manufacturers from the ground up.
High quality material is very important in an outdoor furnace. Imported materials just don't hold the same quality and the standards as domestically made. Here at Crown Royal Stoves, we have always used 409 titanium enhanced stainless steel.
Our fireboxes and water jackets are crafted from 10-gauge 409 titanium enhanced stainless steel. And our firebox door frames are made with 1/4-inch stainless steel for added durability.
Crown Royal Stoves customer support has always been great. They really follow through with the sale of the stove, and they're always there for the customer. Even the tech support side is really great. And the simplicity of the build, if there's something that needs to be replaced, most of the time the customer can handle it themselves, and customer support is there to walk them through step by step. There's always somebody there to answer the phone, and they're not going to let you get off that phone until the problem is resolved.
Our Pristine series features more heat exchanger tubes than any competitor, made from seamless 304 stainless steel and robotically welded. The twisted turbulators provide maximum heat transfer while also making them the easiest cleaning system on the planet. Crown Royal Stoves pays extra attention to the corners on our door frames. We also use superior insulation, including foil, batt, and fiberboard to combat condensation, allowing for expansion and contraction, ensuring longevity and reliability. Our double insulated doors with airspace cavities remain cool to the touch, providing safety and convenience. And our durable exterior cladding is made from 16-gauge steel with a powder-coated finish, ensuring longevity and durability for those long winter months.
Where Crown Royal Stoves really shines is the dependability, and the maintenance is pretty minimal. They clean out the ashes every couple weeks, maybe do an inspection monthly basis, but then the annual, which takes a couple hours usually. But aside from that, they're a well-oiled machine, and maintenance, pretty minimal.
Our electrical parts are easy to use and maintain with simple, cost-effective, and upgradable controllers for advanced monitoring. And to cap it off, no pun intended, our high-rated Class A chimneys made of 304 stainless steel interior and 430 stainless steel exterior with a twist-in lock design are easy to install and durable. Along with an industry-leading 20-year limited warranty, our stove provides not just peace of mind, but a whole lot of heat.
They've got good warranty on them, they stand by it. Overall, it's just a A-plus product.
Crown Royal Stoves, crafted with precision, built for reliability. The most trusted outdoor boiler.